Berta J, back in my kitchen with you today. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do something really simple you may not have ever thought of, or maybe you have. You use baked potatoes, which I have some handy baked potatoes right here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you two different ways you can do baked potato. Now I don't know if you bake potato, you can bake it whole or do like I did in my sweet potato video, so you can go back and look at that. You just cut them in half and you bake them. So I'm going to do two different ones. Let's just start with this one. What you're going to do, cut it in half a little bit, like that. And you're going to put on it your favorite vegetable. One of my favorite vegetables, green vegetable, is broccoli. And I've already steamed the broccoli. This is just steamed broccoli. You could use steamed zucchini, spinach, anything that's green. This is a good idea to have because it's like a whole meal in one thing, in one setting. And what you could do is you could have this for either breakfast, you could have it for lunch, or you could have it for dinner. So this is about, I don't know, a cup and a half of broccoli. I think. So I like broccoli, so I just eat a lot of it. So then you're going to take some cheese sauce, your favorite cheese sauce. So this cheese sauce, which I will show you how to make in another video. And you're just going to spoon, like a tablespoon, drizzle it right over there. Maybe a couple tablespoons. And that's one meal. Baked potatoes get a really bad name. They get a real bad rap because they are high in carbs, but it's a complex carb, and they are high in potassium. They're very good for you. The problem is that in order for people to eat potatoes, what they do is they put all this other junk on top of it, filled with fat, all kinds of crumbled bacon and sour cream. But if you would just eat it with steamed vegetables, you'd have yourself a great meal. Okay, that's one way you could do it. The other way is do the same thing with this baked potato, and I'm going to cut it in half. And this is great. I made this up myself. I'm sure it's somewhere on the internet, but I made this up. What I did is when I went to a restaurant and they didn't have anything that I could eat, a friend of mine took me out and I didn't know what to do, but they had a salad bar and they had baked potatoes. So what I did is I took a baked potato and I put salad on top of it. And I'm telling you, this is really delicious. And this is just a vinaigrette, so that I spin in my Vitamixer to make it look creamy. And you just pour that over it. And you've got yourself two wonderful meals with baked potato. As I said before, you can use this one with your favorite steamed vegetable, zucchini or spinach. It could even be, I can't think of anything else, like any green leafy vegetable. Put that over it, put on your cheese sauce, and then do your salad that you've already got made or that you've gotten in a restaurant or whatever, and put it over your baked potato. And you'll have a great, great meal. This is one, this is another. Have a great time doing it. It's so simple and so easy, and I know you'll love it. So, let me know if you try it, and leave some messages down below. And also tell me some things that you might like to see me turn from regular American standard American diet into something that's vegan. Might be good for you. I can't do meat, so don't even do that, okay? But something else, I may be able to try to do it for you. I really thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time, okay? Bye for now.